Once you fill out the required organization information, click Save. Now, click Dashboard. Click on Users to invite members from your organization. Copy and paste email addresses to send invitations. Assign pilot and instructor roles to organization members by clicking the plus icon. Return to the dashboard by clicking on your organization name and then selecting Dashboard. Next, click on Resources. Click Add Aircraft. Find your plane in the search. Click Select to confirm your aircraft model. Fill out the required information and click Save. Visit the settings page to customize your organization to fit your needs.